Welcome again to STEM in 30. We're going to look today at the last STEM in 30, which took place at the Udvar-Hazy Centre near Dulles Airport, Virginia. And it's all about the Wright Flyer and a little bit about the forces of flight and how to control an aircraft. Remember that we went to look at the ones in Albuquerque and with an astronaut, and the one at the Udvar-Hazy Centre took place actually on the floor of the museum rather than in a separate gallery as you experienced with the two previous ones that you went to. So this is the Wright Flyer. Above it, hanging from the ceiling, is the Langley Aerodrome A, and that failed to fly. And here we're looking at a bit of the behind the scenes, and it's the Wright military flyer from 1908 with a school from Ashburn, Virginia. And here's a little bit of the start of the show.
Hi, I'm Marty.
And I'm Beth.
Today we are coming to you live from the National Air and Space Museum, Stephen F. Udvar-Hazy Center in Chantilly, Virginia. This place is the home of Space Shuttle Discovery, the SR-71 Blackbird, and the Concorde.
But we're not talking about any of those today.
Right.
113 years ago today, Wright brothers did the first attempt at flying the 19 flyer. Wilbur at the point loss. He took off, but things didn't go very well after that.
No, 4 days later they fixed all the damage, ordered climbed on board, and made that historic first flight of a heavy nuclear aircraft, and the world really hasn't done something since.
Now, in order to fly a heavier than air aircraft, you needed engines. As we said, Taylor built the engine. It wasn't a Taylor, it was Flyer.
And a large part of that engine was cast in aluminum, which was made by the predecessor of today's show sponsor, Alcoa.
We want to remind you all that you can submit questions online. We have an expert here who will answer them, and some of them we may even take on the air.
We are joined by some great students today from Eagle Ridge Middle School. Thank you guys so much for joining us. They have some amazing...
And here is National Air and Space Museum curator Peter Jacob going to talk about controlling powered flight.
The Wright brothers to balance the wings and then make turns. Now when I do that, look at the rudder. You notice how the rudder is also turning? And that allows the airplane to be controlled in this direction. So we control it this way with the warping, we control it this way with the rudder, and then we have to control it one other way, right? We got to go up and down, right? So we have another control over here, and if you look at the surface here, this is what they use to control the airplane going up and down. And if you look at a modern airplane, you see the same control. Now you might look at a wing on a modern airplane and you see things that move like this, but the same principle. The Wright brothers just twisted the whole wing rather than having a hinged surface, because that was a simpler way to do it. But we've got an elevator on a modern airplane. Usually it's in the back, but the wings don't know if it's in the front or the back. It still acts the same way. And then we've got the rudder, so we can move the rudder. So the way the Wright brothers design their controls is exactly the same way you fly an airplane today.
So really the plane, somebody flies into me.
And there's a flight simulator software program that visitors to the museum can sometimes try, and the students from Ashburn are going to here today, and going to meet up with the great-grandnephew of the Wright brothers.
All right, let's see how you do. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
What's your name?
James.
James, let's go. Test all your systems. Okay, James, tell us what you're doing. All right, and what are you moving to do that? Okay, you're doing pretty well. How long have you been practicing?
And here is the great grandnephew of the Wright brothers doing his turn on the Wright Military Flyer simulator. And here's the actual flyer from the program that was last week. And you'll be able to see information about the next STEM program. There's a link to it here. And remember, you can actually go online and you can type in some questions. And I think that might be a nice challenge to do over winter break, hey? And keep your interest in STEM alive in as many ways as you can.